So we are back in Maryland, getting out to ride some of my favorite back roads, and what better way than to bring you guys along. Have kind of decided I'm going to start doing some different shorts of riding out and back on some of my favorite roads, making edits of it. So essentially, if you guys are in the area and want to know what good road to ride, as well as you can see the turns and spread the joy of the back roads that I love. just like that, we are back to where the video began. These are some of my local and most favorite roads to ride. If you guys can tell, I do a lot of engine braking and try to not use any hand or foot brake, because I think it makes it a smoother ride, more intertwined with a bike. I am a firm believer of smooth is fast, but also smooth is beautiful. Like, I love everything seeming one current flow, one with a bike, just one with whatever you're doing, no matter what it is. Currently gonna go try to find a picture spot for a thumbnail. So obviously not supposed to have motorized vehicles here, but I have been wanting to take a picture of the bike back here forever. What is going on here? Super glad I remember that little gravel spot that I wanted to go to, because I would have been very disappointed if I got home and realized I forgot to go there. But yeah, if you guys like this video and like my plans and want to, I don't know, let me know your thoughts and input on it. Of course, leave it down below. If you guys do like the video, give me a thumbs up. And yeah, subscribe. Let's see what the future beholds. Oh, fuck that.